Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sagar Pachapati. I hope you guys are doing very well. In this video, I am going to explain you the architecture of the new course which I have launched on my portal geekcoders.co.in. So this course is gonna help you a lot if you are learning or if you want to learn Gen AI, vector search, or new stuff of Databricks. Okay, so let's get started. Watch this video till the end to understand the architecture of it. If you like, you can enroll into it, or you can also take the idea out of it and you can build by your own too. Right. So let's get started. This is the architecture of the course, which says that we'll take the data from the Google Drive. Okay, it can be ADLS, it can be S3 bucket. Since I have built this project using a free version of Databricks, that's why I have put it here Google Drive instead AWS, because I do not want to spend a lot of money for this project. So I did that. Now the architecture says that, hey, fetch the data from Google Drive into a staging volume, because Google Drive having some PDF files in it. Okay, we have some PDF files, some CSV files, which we have to bring it into the volume of the Unity catalog. Once it is done, then using DLT, I will pass the data from that PDF into a text format into a delta tables. Once it is done, using the LLM foundation model, I will extract the data from those bronze tables into a silver layer. Okay, and once it is done, once it is all done, then I will create the embeddings. I will use vector search indexing, and then I will be using some LLMs to understand whether there is some matching or not. Okay, and then we have mails, we have dashboard, and so the project name is Procurement Data Automation. What does it mean? Like, okay, in a big companies, they have like purchase order, they have GRs, and they have invoice. So ideally we have to match whether purchase order is matching with the good received and purchase order is matching with the invoice, or vice versa, or maybe purchase order should match with the invoice. That we have to check it. Okay, now if I go over here, we have to check this two-way match and three-way match, PO versus invoice and PO versus invoice versus GR. Okay, if you want to do a match two-way, then basically you have to match PO number, vendor name, material name, and PO quantity into PO unit price is equal to invoice.invoice. All those are the logics which we have to put it over there. Okay, that we have to do it. Now what we have done, so let me explain you here. So we have all these CSV files. What we did, we have made all these catalog, dev underscore P2P, bronze, default, gold, silver, staging and all. Now if you go to here, you can see this is my repository which has bronze to silver DLT file, DLT pipeline, ingestion to bronze, DLT pipeline, ingestion data is the staging, procurement data automation is the dashboard, and gold layer it's a notebook, right? So we have covered everything over here, right? Now in the job, if you see, we have these three things: bronze to silver, ingestion to bronze, and procurement data automation. Now this is the run what we have done. If you see, if I go to here, everything ran successfully, right? Everything is here, right? And this is what the dashboard we have built. Three-way match. We have like discrepancy, type frequency, we have total invoices versus match and unmatch, category wise invoice value, right? So we have other stuff too here, invoice count by confidence level and total invoice matches, right? So everything I have explained you how to build all these thing. Okay, now if I go over here, you will see we in the compute section in the vector search we have P2P and we have these two indexes also. So I've explained you everything, what to do, how to do and all. I would recommend to at least understand this or build this kind of project where you can use vector searches and LLMC. The process is very easy, right? You should be knowing it, how to write a prompt, and also since we have a chat GPT, so you can take a help of it for writing a code. Right, so that's not a problem. The main thing is that you should be learning, you should be knowing how to use it, and it is not that you cannot write SQL. Instead, I would suggest write LLM, right? So that the fuzzy magic, the fuzzy logic, what we have to what we used to write it in SQL, it can be replaced by LLMs too, right? With that said, I hope you understood it, and please go and again watch this video. I will give the link of the course in the description box. If you like, you can just go and take it out, right? Till then, thank you, bye bye, and I will be making more videos. I will be making more courses like this, and I hope that you will like this project. And with that said, thank you, bye bye, we'll meet you in the next lecture.